Top 5 No More Fine Lines and Saggy Skin. Discover the best retinol creams of the year. Claiming a whole host of benefits, including stimulation of both collagen and elastin production, protection from sun exposure, and the elimination of wrinkles and dark spots, one of these retinol creams may be a welcome addition to your daily beauty regimen. Most are suitable for all skin types and might give you glowing results within just a few weeks. They come in at a range of prices. Liliana Naturals Retinol Cream for Face.
Ageless beauty is all you see. We got the core for originals. If that's what you need, do you need moisturize? Zero that vitamin C. We got toner, scrubs, retinol, serums and creams. Whoa, 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 whoa. Liliana Naturals. Whoa, 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 whoa. Liliana Naturals. Go get you some from Target today and put a healthy glow all over your face. Oh, 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 Liliana Naturals. Liliana Naturals.
CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Clean Organics Retinol Cream for Face. Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle. Face Moisturizer Retinol Cream. ReviewParks.com link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe.